Masters Rules of Spoken English through Rehan Honor Channel. Rule number 2 is about the letter R. There are 4 different sub-rules regarding this R. R is pronounced when it comes in the beginning of a word. It can be pronounced. For example, right. That is, there are 2 spellings for right. W-R-I-T-E, right, or R-I-G-H-T, right. Remark. See here, in 2 places in this word R occurs. R-E-M-A-R-K. The first R is pronounced and the second R is silent. Remark, remark. Then running, R is pronounced. See here, rule number 1 is applied in this word. Double N is pronounced as single, running. So that R in the beginning is pronounced. Rough, R-O-U-G-H, rough, R in the beginning is pronounced. Rate, R-A-T-E, rate. What's the rate of this piece of cloth? Rate, R-A-T-E, R comes in the beginning, so it is pronounced. So keep it in mind, R in the beginning of a word can be pronounced. Now, sub-rule B. In some words, R in the middle is pronounced. For example, courage, courage. We pronounce this R, but the pronunciation is courage. He has the courage to climb the peak. Brute, B-R-U-T-E, brute, rough. R in the middle is pronounced. Great, G-R-E-A-T, R in the middle is pronounced. Great. Then correct, double R is there, but we pronounce it as singular. Correct. Then brush, B-R-U-S-H, brush is pronounced though the R is in the middle. Brief, B-R-I-E-F, brief, the R in the middle is pronounced. Give me a brief account of the event. Therefore, in all these words, R in the middle of the word is pronounced. Courage, brute, great, correct, brush, brief. Now, sub-rule C. R in the middle of most of the words in English is silent. We must not pronounce it. For example, farm, F-A-R-M. Though we write R, we don't pronounce it. His farmhouse is very big. Then market, market, M-A-R-K-E-T. That R in the middle is silent. We must pronounce it as market. My mother has gone to the market. Then garden, garden, G-A-R-D-E-N. This garden is very beautiful. See, R is coming in the middle, G-A-R, but we don't pronounce it. We pronounce it as garden. Then curd, that is taken from the milk. Curd, C-U-R-D, but that R is silent. Then large, his house is a large house. Large, L-A-R-G-E, this R is silent. Then burn, B-U-R-N, that R is silent. We pronounce it as burn. Please see the difference. In subrule B, R in the middle of a word is pronounced. In subrule C, R in the middle of a word is silent, not pronounced. There is not a definite rule for it, but you must learn it by listening. The experts, the teachers are in the net also. You can refer to the apt pronunciation. So it is this difference can be learnt only by experience. The subrule D regarding R, R, ER, OR, RE at the end of a word is completely silent. Let's see some examples for them. Rear, backside. At the rear of my house there is a garden. River, the river water is sweet. ER is here, AR is here, but we don't pronounce it. Rear, river. Collector, OR is there, but we don't pronounce it. The collector of the district is a kind gentleman. Where, where, W-H-E-R-E, where is your office? Then fear, F-E-A-R, are silent. Share, the share market is very busy. Share. Master, he is a master in music. Master. Actor, A-C-T-O-R, R is silent. Shah Rukh Khan is a famous actor. Mother, M-O-T-H-E-R, R is silent. My mother is a kind lady. Far more. Please note here, in this word, in two places R is used, but both these R's are silent. R in the middle and ER at the end are silent. So it must be pronounced as farmer. Farmer. The farmer is going to Delhi for agitation. Then color. You are. The color of my shirt is white. Letter. ER. I got 5 letters from my friends. Butter. ER. I take butter with bread for the breakfast. Conductor. Here, CONDUCTOR. This OR is silent. It is pronounced as just A. Conductor. Carpenter. Here also, in two places, R is used, but both the R's are silent. Carpenter. This carpenter is an experienced person. Carpenter. These are the rules about R. Thank you.